Oh, hey. I'm a freaking guy who got the money. He got the bass and he got the funny money. And I got it in my pocket, it's in my wallet, and I sold it. I bought all
This is Flynn coming to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope there will be breakfast when I get there.
Me too.
Hey, it's really not any of my business, but you should lay off the Jensen Impact.
No!
I'm going to have to tell Uncle Hank.
No!
This is
Oh, hey, I'm on the beat, and I came back with the lemon lime water, and I got the water and the lemon lime. I'm a rapper, and I like lemon lime. I don't know where to go. Hot dog, come inside, it's fun inside. Hot dog. Oh, rapping on the beat, I'm coming in, I'm on. Ooh, I don't like chimichangas, they're too long for me, and they're scary, and I don't like fast rides, that go into the sky, and it's scary. I don't like blueberries are blue, and sometimes purple. That was when we fell in love. Me and you. When I think of you, I pull up with my grandma. She says she likes my grandma. I don't like grandmas. I like underage. I like regular age, 18-year-old women. Hey, back to what I was saying about chimichangas. They're too long, they're too birthy, and too scary for me. I don't like bananas. They're too long and they get brown really quick. They're yellow. Take a pause.
Pulse. Breathe it in.
Pause. I'll breathe anything you give me.